In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a file in Notion step by step. This is a super useful feature, whether you're organizing documents, attaching PDFs, uploading images, or keeping all your files neatly stored inside your Notion workspace. If you're new to Notion or just want a quick refresher, you're in the right place. And before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Notion and software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open Notion on your desktop or in your web browser, and navigate to the page where you want to upload your file. This can be a personal page, a team workspace, or any existing page you're already working on. Once you're on the correct page, make sure your cursor is placed exactly where you want the file to appear. Notion works with blocks, so wherever your cursor is, that's where the file block will be added. Next, simply type / followed by the word file. So type /file. As you start typing, you'll see Notion's block menu appear with different options. This menu lets you insert all kinds of content, like text, images, databases, and files. From this list, look for the option called File. Now click on File from the menu. As soon as you do this, Notion will create a new file block on your page. Inside that block, you'll see an option that says Choose a File. This is where you can upload a file from your computer. Go ahead and click on Choose a File. This will open your system's file browser, allowing you to select the file you want to upload. You can upload documents like PDFs, Word files, Excel sheets, images, or other supported file types. Once you've selected the file, click Open, and Notion will immediately start uploading it. After the upload is complete, the file will appear directly inside your Notion page. You'll see the file name along with options to download or open it. You can click and drag the file block to move it anywhere on the page, or add text above or below it to give more context. This makes it really easy to keep your notes and files organized in one place. One important thing to keep in mind is that Notion stores uploaded files securely, and depending on your plan, there may be file size limits. If you're working with larger files, you can also choose to embed files using external links instead. But for most everyday documents, uploading directly like this works perfectly. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a file in Notion using just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.